Good job. Yeah, good job. Oh, the head's getting lower and lower now. That's right. Hey. Put your arm up. Can you push up? Can you do a push up? Come on. No? Can you do it? Oh, now we're just gonna suck on the arm, huh?